If you have cats, then you know it's their house and you just live in it. So we created a custom litter box that let cats be cats. And we made it so it cleans in 6 seconds, or oftentimes faster. Hi there. This is the litter box that cleans in 6 seconds, and it's also designed on the same principles that make cats and kittens love boxes. Over here is Michelle, and if you've been scooping a litter box like she is right now, you'll know it's no fun. Especially in the corners. That's where bacteria and odors accumulate. We tried every litter box solution on the market. They were crazy, so we decided it was time to do something about it. These clumps are fused to the container. We're going to toss the litter just to show you how fused they are. The difference is box scoop and braces stuck on clumps. Cats dig, and we designed for it. And even if you're using a super dusty litter like this one, the scoop is designed to slice through the litter while raising next to zero dust. Check this out. As the scoop sweeps through the litter, force is perfectly leveraged through the center point to the front edge of the scoop where it easily frees stuck-on clumps. And box scoop also performs with alternative litters, because the scoop gets under the clumps and gently cradles them. So even if you're using a softer clumping litter, like this one, the clumps stay intact. It's fast, like 20 times faster than the average automatic, but without all those extra components for bacteria to grow in, and without this noise. The design is based on behavior studies for cat comfort. This is Arthur. She was the inspiration for box scoop. Notice how easily she turns inside? And when she finally picks a spot to do her business, she can see everything around her so she always feels comfortable. And when she steps out, all the litter on her paws gets left on the cover. That would normally be all over the floors. The feedback we've received from our first model is incredible. Box scoop is even used throughout Perwood Forest Cat Sanctuary. And now we're here to make box scoop even better. This is box scoop 2.0. It feels completely open to a cat inside, and these textured areas reduce litter tracking further, while the slots let it fall right through. It's made from thick material, and the cover is dog-proof secure. It's bigger than a standard size litter box, the scoop is deeper, and the front edge is double reinforced. It easily handles large clumps. And with our new design, if you want to toss the waste into a smaller container, you can. Just shake, tilt, and toss. If you've ever struggled with the litter box,
like we all have,
then you need to try box scoop. With just 6 seconds a day, you can keep the litter box perfectly clean and healthy in your home. But we need your help to produce it. So help us by hitting that Back This Project button so that we can continue doing what we love to do, helping you clean up the litter box.
Strength,
resilience, dependability. At Crave, these are more than just beliefs, especially when it comes to things you rely on day in and day out. We started by analyzing all the reasons why today's cables don't get the job done. Things like poor connectivity, weak connection points, or cords that simply tear or give way when you stuff them in a backpack to head off to work or that next adventure. And after a full year of intense testing and design, we revealed the Crave Force as the most advanced charging cable the world has ever seen. We started by choosing rugged materials like those found in bulletproof vests and Kevlar. We invented our own wire designed to withstand incredible stress. Fiber so tough and durable, in fact, that we decided to pit our cables against one of the toughest men on Earth.
They said we were crazy. And we are. We didn't have to build it virtually indestructible. But we did. Trained and tested to the max.
My name is Andrew Toyer. I'm from Liverpool, England, currently living in Rotterdam, in the Netherlands. This is absolute madness. What we're going to try and do today is suspend the entire weight of a human body underneath a hot air balloon from Crave's strongest USB charging cable in the world. Nothing like this has ever been done before, and we decided to really put this thing to the test. Climbing down a rope ladder at 5,500 feet knowing you're going to hang off a phone charger cable. I think I was dropped on my head as a baby, really, but it can be very unforgiving if things go wrong. My right hand slipped off the ladder and then it was gone.
Yeah, that was a shock test. Good.
I kid you not, that was a full 3-foot drop. Full body weight down onto this cable. If these cables were available a few years ago, I think I could have bought each of my daughters a pony instead of the amount of cables that I've bought for them.
We suspended a human 5,500 feet above the ground from a hot air balloon. You see, at Crave, strength isn't just about saying you're the toughest. It's about proving it. Crave Force is the new standard designed to outlast and perform.
This is SwitchPod, a minimal, versatile, handheld tripod designed specifically for filming videos or taking photos on the go. Quickly switch from a handheld grip to a tripod and then back again in just seconds. It's super slim, and it easily fits into your bag. Or just clip it on instead. SwitchPod is built to last. It's made with an aluminum alloy, not plastic, so it will hold whatever camera, lens, and accessories you put on top of it. Yet, it only weighs 11 ounces, or 315 grams. That's less than your morning mug of coffee, minus the coffee. Here's how it works. First, attach your camera with the tightening knob, or attach any ball head, quick release system, or phone adapter. Next, grip the handle wherever you'd like. If you need to choke up or switch hands, no problem. To set it down, just swing the legs open. Or if you want to be fancy, try it with one hand. When you're ready to pick it back up, bring the legs back together. The tools you use to create shouldn't get in the way of you creating. That's why we created the SwitchPod.
Hey there, I'm Pat Flynn.
And I'm Caleb Wodrick, and as video creators, we've been frustrated by the options that are out there for putting our cameras on tripods. They're clunky and inconvenient and just kind of annoying. So we came up with the idea for SwitchPod because we knew there had to be a better way. Something that's lightweight but strong, something that's not too big or obnoxious or hard to hold, and something that's fun and quick to use.
And over the past year, we've been designing, prototyping, and testing several versions of the SwitchPod. And at every stage, we've shown prototypes to several video creators, YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and creators like us to get feedback and make this thing great.
So we finalized version 1.0, this one right here, and we're ready to manufacture the first bigger batch. But that's where we need your help. We've invested our own money up front so far, But to launch this thing at scale and to get the tooling made to manufacture a bunch of these, that's why we're here on Kickstarter.
So if you want to help bring the SwitchPod to life, pre-order yours today. Thanks again, and we're excited to see how you use it. Make the switch.
Switch it up.
Flip the switch.
Switch gears.
Switch it again.
Switch it real good.
Oh gosh, that's so bad.
No,
We're gonna lose people. Or get people, maybe.
or infringe on copyright.
Let's take that out.